Welcome to watch today's fresh home. In London, a huge Victorian house with an indoor swimming pool. In the heart of Kensington, Georgian architect Irakli Zaria has combined two houses to create an elegant, contemporary space where art takes pride of place. Nestled in Kensington, the upscale micro-neighborhood of Bolton's is home to large homes unlike any other in the English metropolis. Renowned for its calm and comfort, it attracts many notables and celebrities, including Madonna, but our star of the day is a home completely renovated by Irakli Zaria, or rather two, in fact, as he combined two Victorian houses into one, creating an unusually large space by London standards. The Georgian architect, based in Tbilisi and with a passion for art, has designed apartments and villas from Barcelona to Cannes.